name is Gary Haddon. I had some lower back and hip problems on the right side. They are kind of chronic problems, but recently they got a little worse, so I decided I should get checked out. It's a chronic pain that kind of slows me down and keeps me from doing things I want to do. And the right hip in recent years started giving me some stiffness, some pain. If I sit for long periods of time, like driving a vehicle, it can be painful for me. So I have grandkids in Nashville, Tennessee, and I love to go visit them. So I said I better go get checked out for both the back and the hip. I think the biggest advantage or takeaway for me, I've learned a lot about different ways to move, different ways to exercise, different perspectives on how to look at yourself at the age you are and what your limitations might be, but what you can accomplish in your goals that maybe you didn't think you could accomplish. Those are things that I think are takeaways from this experience for me.